friends. So today we're going to be making slime. In celebration of Earth Day, which is Wednesday, we're going to be making some blue and green slime. To make this slime, we're going to need some gloves because it might get a little messy. You're going to need a cup of water, another half cup of water, some regular school glue, food coloring for whatever color you're trying to make, and borax, which you can find in the laundry aisle if you're a store, or if you don't have borax at home, you can use contact solution. So first, to make our slime, we're going to take our mixing bowl and the school glue, and we're going to pour the glue into the bowl. Make sure we get all of it out. Once we have the glue in the bowl, we're going to mix our half a cup of water with our glue. And just mix it together. Once we have mixed together our glue and our water solution, we're going to put that to the side. Take our 1 cup of water, and we're going to mix a teaspoon of borax or a teaspoon of contact solution into 1 cup of water, and then you stir. You want to make sure that the borax dissolves completely into the water. Once both of your solutions have been stirred, you're going to mix our solution of water and borax into our solution of glue. And once you pour those two together, you're going to notice that the slime is going to start thickening up, and you want to stir it together. You don't want it to stiff too hard. And you want to keep stirring the solution together. And see, it's kind of, ooh, look. It's getting slimy. Once you see that your slime is starting to take shape, we're going to add some food coloring. So we're making blue slime. We're just going to add a couple drops. And then we're going to mix it together. And then here comes the messy part. We're going to pick up our slime. And we're going to start to mold it in our hand. Just stretch it. Oh, it's so squishy. And you're going to notice that you're going to have some excess water in your bowl. And that is perfectly fine.